Welcome to our weekly video series. Well, we're all about making machine parts, but we also rebuild micro machines. Now those little lathes and little mills that you see on top of desktops, and they're primarily made in Germany and in the USA, in England and so forth, and they're vintage. And we're going to do a weekly series about rebuilding these machines, and we're going to use these very machines to make a product and share that product with you. We hope you'll follow us on our series while we rebuild these vintage machines and then begin to build a product to share with you. So we're two best friends. We live in the Mojave Desert, a really rural small town in California, and we do all our work from home. It's a home-based machine shop. No, we've been best friends for a very long time. So it's the two of us. We're going to share what we're doing from our home-based shop, but basically it's a home, but it's really a machine shop that looks like a home. I don't think your wife would allow it. We got some pretty neat things that the house has that is unique, not like any other home-based machine shop you've probably ever seen. So I hope you'll join us on this series, and if you like it, click to subscribe. But I'd wait and see if you like that first video, and a lot of our videos are going to look like these, and it'll probably progress well over time. So join us, would you? Hello, welcome to Active Atom, a precision machine shop here in Yucca Valley, California. We're getting ready to rebuild a Levin lathe, a very vintage machine, and we're going to place it on this Levin table. However, some time ago when the movers were here, they put too much weight on this table and caused this to happen. This bows quite a crisis when it comes to, for every good machine is a good foundation, and that's what this is going to need to be replaced for. So we're going to replace this pressed wood tabletop from Levin with a maple wood top at 2 1/4 inches. This is 1 1/2 inches, by the way. Okay, thank you. Okay, welcome back. We're getting ready to rebuild two Levin lathes. One's from the 1940s, the other is from the 1980s. Both of them are of a special paint that's custom color matched to the Levin specifications.
So buddy, what are you doing?
We are removing all this stuck-on masking tape from when we epoxy painted these. And boy, It takes a while because you can't gouge these ways one so bit, but we'll be all right. It's just gonna we're removing masking tape after our epoxy paints were applied, and we're going to remove this Rotocol watchmaker's putty that we use to fill the T-slot on both ends here and here. And then we're just going to be really careful not to chip this hard acrylic paint, and we'll be all right.
What kind of paint did we use?
A special blend custom made for us to color match the Levin Son Lathe Manufacturing Company's paint. It's a perfect match.
What's this bowl of candies over here?
Well, we're taking the baked on tape off of these painted parts for the Levin lathe there, and of course after that comes off you can see all the tape residue here. So we have this product you can't get in California, to my local California friends, that is for removing that residue after the baking on of the tape when we bake the paint on. That's pretty neat stuff. Really is the best we've ever been able to find or use. Well, we've been unmasking a lot of this lacquer painted Levin lathe rebuild going on here. That's me, that'd be me. Yes, that's me. Okay. I decided I could drop this one and shadow the lacquer, meaning that this fine part's going to have to be completely re-sanded and masked like so and painted. And we've done quite a few parts, so just a little setback in the rebuilding of these two fine lathes. When you're unmasking and removing tape residue from these machine parts, and you have these chips. This is a showboat part. This is what we call cosmetic. This part's like a top piece of the machine that's very visual. So there's no saving this. You can't touch up a part like this. It's not cosmetically going to look terrible. So what we're going to do is we're just going to mask this, sand this part here, and repaint the entire surface and cause that shiny flow to exist all the way over the product. From there, we use a little, to get into our touch-up work, like small little touch-up work, we're going to use these tiny little brushes from Pro Touch. And I don't know who they are. And the little cup, and we fill it with this aerosol can custom-made paint just for us. And then we just dip this specialized brush. It's kind of similar to using the back of a soft match. And then we're just going to touch up small little, you'll see, yeah, wherever we have a small little flaw, we're just going to touch the small ones, or we will never get these parts built. Okay, well, we've been doing this since 1993, so we're hoping you'll come along and join us on this journey. And please click the link below to learn a lot more about the two of us. So I hope you'll join us on this series, and if you like it, click to subscribe. But I'd wait and see if you liked that first video, and a lot of our videos are going to look like these, and it'll probably progress well over time. So join us, would you?